Our topic is aging genetics. Have you ever wondered why we age? Why the body that once healed quickly, ran faster, and remembered everything slowly begins to change? Today, we explore the physiology and genetics of aging and the science of longevity. Aging is a gradual biological process happening silently inside every cell, tissue, and organ. Physiologically, several things change. Cells renew more slowly, energy production declines, and the chronic low grade inflammation develops. Over time, the heart, brain, muscles, and the immune system begin to show the effects of biological wear. One major reason is cellular damage. Proteins misfold, mitochondria produces less energy, and cells accumulate waste they cannot clear efficiently. Another key process is telomere shortening. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, they become shorter. Eventually, cells stop dividing or enter cellular senescence. In this state, cells remain alive but no longer function properly and release inflammatory signals. Genetics also play a powerful role in aging. Certain genes influence how fast we age, how well we repair DNA, and how resistant we are to disease. Longevity genes regulate pathways like DNA repair, stress resistance, insulin signaling, and inflammatory control. This explains why some people age slowly, while others age faster, even with similar lifestyles. But genetics is only part of the story. Epigenetics matters too. Lifestyle, nutrition, stress, sleep, and environment can switch genes on or off without changing the DNA itself. So, aging is not completely fixed, it's partly flexible. Scientists are studying caloric restriction and intermittent fasting, which activate autophagy, the body's internal recycling system. Another exciting field is senolytics, drugs designed to remove old senescent cells that drive inflammation. Researchers are also studying NAD metabolism, mitochondrial health, gut microbiome balance, and anti inflammatory strategies. More futuristic research explores gene editing, stem cell therapy, and cellular reprogramming. But the goal is not immortality. The goal is extend health lifespan, reduce years of disease, disability, and loss of independence. This concept is called health span and not just lifespan. So the key message is this: aging is natural, but how we age is modifiable. Genetics may load the gun, but the lifestyle pulls the trigger. Modern science is beginning to understand how to slow the biological clock. Longevity research is about preserving function, resilience, and quality of life for as long as possible. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.